We're very excited because in the first few weeks of our new observing run of the LIGO detectors and Virgo in Italy, we have a second binary neutron star system collision. A binary neutron star system consists of two neutron stars, which are very dense types of stars, the densest material we know in the universe. It took us 100 years to design and develop an instrument that would be capable of detecting any gravitational wave. And the LIGO gravitational wave interferometers are the most sensitive instruments on Earth. And now that we've got them at the appropriate sensitivity, this is going to be a discovery machine. We are going to be making discoveries on an extremely regular basis, and discoveries often that are largely unknown in nature.
SkyMapper is a 1.3 meter diameter telescope that has a very wide field of view. When LIGO detects an object, it can't localize the position of the source of the gravitational waves with a great deal of accuracy. And so we are able to use SkyMapper then to follow up that large area of sky and try to pin down the optical counterpart of the gravitational wave source. The mystery of these gravitational wave sources is such that it's really generating excitement amongst the entire worldwide community.
I've never seen a period in my scientific career of such extraordinary possibility for new science.